Why did the barber win a race? Because he took a shortcut. You're probably like, what the frick was that about? Yeah. Me too. Anyways, my name is Kyle. I go by I am Triple G online. You can catch my streams every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The link will be in the description below. Today, we are going to set up a dad joke chat command for your stream. This chat command actually is really cool, and it really gets your viewership involved. It just kind of makes a dad joke every time they do exclamation point dad joke. And let's be honest, who doesn't like a good dad joke? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to my dashboard on StreamElements. It's going to load, and you're going to want to go to the settings where it says bot and go to chat commands like we did in the last video. We're going to go to custom commands, and we're going to enter a new command. I'm going to name it dad joke. Easy enough, right? And then what we want to do is paste what I have put in already. I'll post the custom code for the dad jokes down in the description below. I'm going to paste what I already have. It's the code that's going to help find a dad joke anytime someone puts in that command. Change your user level to whatever you want. You can do it for a subscriber, regular, everyone, VIP, moderator. I would most likely just keep it for everybody like I did. And then activate the command. Easy enough, right? So you ought to make sure that it's enabled. And then we're going to go to Twitch and we're going to check it out. So remember, when you do a new command, you always want to test it out. So we're going to test it here, and I'm going to put exclamation mark dad joke. Takes a little bit because it's got to find some. And then it's like, what is red and bad for your teeth? A brick. Wow. So, stupid. That one's dumb. Like I said before, this is kind of a fun way to get your community more involved. They'll come to your stream, and hopefully that this command will brighten their day a little bit. It brightens my day. I think it's funny as hell. So I hope this one helped. There's many of these commands out there. You just kind of have to stumble upon them and look for them. This one, I think, is just fun. You can use it on my chat when you go into my stream. If you think that this video was helpful, leave a comment and a like. And if you want, do a subscribe. I make more of these videos all the time. On that note, guys, stream awesome. Keep on keeping on and stay weird. Brah!